candidates file nominations for Lok Sabha polls in Manipur. Fallen heroes of Second World War remembered, paid floral tributes at Imphal War Cemetery. Hello, you're watching Times of Manipur English News with me, Mandira. Now the news in detail. For the second phase of Lok Sabha election to be held in Manipur's inner parliamentary constituency on April 18, 5 candidates filed their nomination papers till late afternoon today. BJP candidate Dr. R.K. Ranjan, Independent candidate R.K. Somendro, CPI candidate Dr. M. Nara, Rashtriya Janhit Sangharsh Party candidate Sanjay Nandeshwar Singh and Manipur Democratic People's Front candidate Dr. G. Tonsana Sharma filed nominations at DC office. Lamphel filed through Ann Praveen, Deputy Commissioner of Imphal West, who is also the returning officer of Inner Manipur Parliamentary Constituency. Later, several top leaders of BJP, including party's state president and Rajya Sabha MP KSH Bhavananda, Chief Minister N. Biren, Manipur BJP election in charge Nalin Kohli, Minister T.H. Vishwajit, MLA N. Indrajit and MLA Rameshwar accompanied Dr. R.K. Ranjan at the DC office. N. Biren, Bhavananda, Nalin Kohli and Vishwajit submitted 3 election nomination papers to returning officer N. Praveen, for which T.H. Vishwajit, Dr. K.H. Kala and Professor N. Joy Kumar were the proposers. And later, during a press meet, BJP candidate Dr. R.K. Ranjan stated that he will mainly fight on empowering women, bringing welfare for the farmers, construction of Water Lake City and education and giving focus on sports. On the other hand, 10 persons were present as the proposers of R.K. Somendro. Later, Somendro told media persons that he will primarily focus on solving border issues in the state and taking up welfare schemes for youth and working towards eradicating poverty in the state.
Bioresources the base Toraga, resource mobilization Toraga Madu the base to work industry the Singba, Linkatuna, unemployed youth Singsi, employed Tono Honagani, Aduga Amana, Manipurgi, Lajariba, geographic location as the younger India new policy, the Act is policy, like the Naharo Singse IT Hafta, exposure Piraga Makogi, better life, Ama create Toba. Punamaksi Toraga Anova, new generation da Anova education and exposure Pirakata was a key world live trend, changing trends that catch up Toraga. Yamna peaceful over Duga communal harmony over Aduga development progress Yamna Laba Adugumba state, Amaporagnava in a Handaki election Sida Sarugya Zabani.
It may be mentioned that filing of nominations for the first phase of Lok Sabha elections will end today. 91 constituencies spread over 20 states and union territories will go to polls in this phase on the 11th of April. The scrutiny of nominations will take place tomorrow, while March 28 is the last date for withdrawal of candidate. The counting of votes will be taken up on the 23rd of May after the completion of all phases of polling. Second World War Foundation and Manipur Tourism Forum, both non-profit organizations, today observed the 75th commemoration program to pay homage to the fallen heroes of World War II at Imphal War Cemetery. Rich floral tributes were paid to the late soldiers. President of Second World War Imphal Campaign Foundation, Yumnam Rajeshwar, Anthony Stewart, son of second in charge of Para Battalion at Sangsad Battle, Major Renigal Stewart and members of Second World War Imphal Campaign Foundation were present on the occasion. Anthony Stewart during the event stated that war brings nothing but destructions, but the valor of the fallen soldiers who had sacrificed life for the cause of their mother country will be remembered by all.
My father, in fact, was born in Shimla and has served in the Indian Army as second in command with the 152nd Battalion, and he survived but was wounded. And for me, this is something of a personal pilgrimage to come back, because many of the soldiers never spoke about the war. My father told me very few stories, and it was only after his death that I came to realize some of the history. And I've recently read many books about the campaign and the events in Sangshak. I've found the war diaries. And for me, it's been a journey of discovery, realizing, first of all, there were two armies coming into this part of the world, people, foreigners, but there were also people fighting for their freedoms, but people fighting for different freedoms. You know, the British maybe were fighting the Japanese. People from India were fighting for their independence, and so on. So there were many conflicting reasons or different reasons why this was happening. But you know, war is a very sad part of our history.
2019 Manipur Anisuba Lanzao Tokiba Adugi Chai Humdraga Mangasuba Havidi Platinum Jubilee ne Handaki Chaisi Aduna Koina Second World War Infal Campaign Foundation Amadi Manipur Tourism Forum Anima Pullaga Lan Soki Mafamzinda Chatlaga Koina Battle Days in the commemoration Togani Matang Hajuk La Iba Hayangji 26 March ta Sangshak Tamatore Heraga Matang da Koina April Gitang Tarieta Kangla Tombi Battle of Kangla Tomi commemorate Tony Masida Akoigi India gi Madu involved our Army Ordnance Corps Amadi Mapandagi Madu the Sonaramba Sevizing Lanmising Macha veteran families in Moi Trampan British UK Dagi Lakani Maduga Pullaga Hoi organization Anisiga Pullaga Yam Chauna Kangla Tombi da Hoi commemoration Togjagani.
Nokfade Cultural Foundation staged a street play named Democracy Ki Kumhai at Kwakaithel Laishram Laikai, giving the message that the voters must cast their votes in free and fair manner and not to exchange their votes with money prior to the upcoming 17th election Lok Sabha polls. The program was held under the supervision of District Election Officer Imphal West. The program was held at 23 different places earlier and will also be held at 4 places today. Founder of Nokfade Cultural Foundation, Thaudam Rohini Kumar, said that the play conveys the message that taking money or gifts in exchange of vote is an immoral act which must be stopped. This kind of play has been going on for years, but it is a matter of question whether people have learned anything from such plays.
Lok Sabha election Mari Lena systematic voters education and electoral participation. I have the Miam the voters in the free and fair election. Oina we have the awareness Piba Dugumba program. Masida Maruina, Impal West District Ladiba, Kendra, Tarahum Toisiki, Apam Kudum Satana Kushana Sabani, who's about the play Kulhumdoi, Papa Mayambalu Shalane, Nini, Magakuchata Higani, Masida Maruina, Pizza Rishi, for example, Sahi Magi Manunta, Tang Pang by voting Bot Hadabagi rights, Koi Shelna, Kaina, Sapona, Natraga, Kudol Bot, Piduna, Apagi Hakshi, Onogumsi, Masiko bribery offense, Lenana, Bot Amada election, Amada Sikh Raba, Natraga Hingliba, Mu and Migi Musimba, Habasu Masis offense, Akoita Gumsi, Aduna, Akoina Isagi, Asengba, voting right, Patana Sin Zerga, Sinarga, Lepak Miang with Amata, Kataba, Adum Basing, but Muti, Kansi, Haiba Pausel, Sine, Pal West District, the Biba, District Election Officer, Lamjing Bakata, Nopodi, Gambusing, Lekai, Sintum, the Selga Pausel, people 7.
Time for a short break, stay tuned.
Lamjingba Jewelry na Adom Gidama, Kwaidagi Asengba Sana, Kwaidagi Ahongba Sana Asamalda Fanganzari, Ekoigi Service Singdi, Inat Yoiba Design Sing, Ready Made the Fanganzari. Singnaningai Oidraba, Asengba Sana Kaktamak Pizari. Manung Matam Sana, Order Delivery Sing Pizari. Sana Asamal, Kwaidagi Name na Luxury. Nomizing Numitsu Adomgi Service the Lazari. Ngasimak Lengsin Birau, Lamjingba Jewelry Private Limited, DM College Road, opposite Memsi Mall, Thangmaiban, Imphal West. Email lamjingbaJewelry@gmail.com. Website www.lamjingbagoldbank.com. Contact us at 764-29-34425 and 940-299-2391. Lamjingba Jewelry. Good quality is our priority.
Welcome back. The cease work strike against the assault of 3 doctors by a patient party at RIMS on 23rd of this month has entered its 3rd day. Teachers and Medical Officers Association along with postgraduate students of the hospital staged a sit-in protest at the hospital complex, condemning the incident. The protesting doctors chanted, "We want justice." People coming for treatment at the hospital have been facing problems because of the protest. On the other hand, the protesting doctors appealed to the concerned authority to look into the matter to bring a conclusion. They said that the protest will continue until a solution is brought.
Haidi maral leitaba mida maral do proof tawdringai da mingon da hana punishment piba se masi yaningde punishment piba in the sense hekta ti gai phuram me habna taba yamtina verbal abuse taramba khupangna thajalamba kaushalamba mentally mingon da yamtina physical assault khada taba mental assault piramba do adu ya janingde Handa kisna ahan be incident na teba handa ki tha om sida rims da mari rakshu re bas maina doctor phu chaiba achumaran thi doctor ngai da hana tawba se maruina masi sigi mayok tane ba khoina protest tawri se atamna na nahan gi incident tu khatangi na taba aduma leire adagi counter me am tawre go khoida akoina haijaning badi akoi doctor gi side tagi anabadu pukhalamba matam dagi na ana aduda akoi gi side tagi asoiba amta laigide magi pibam thokpa protocol gi matungina hek lakpadagi first minute mana patient na yorakpadagi awat amta laitana pigi
nupi amda moina kausalaga mai duty tawre manungda adagi doctor nu pam da moi nupi laga from mai je ko sha yaningde ngasi bu kon demand tawre report se magi akoina police request or Hana they talk rubble poche, which a book the doctors in Zassit Pang Driba. Zassit Pang ready, patient doctor relation commander Padono. Could you move about me amagim Samasung Actani? What can I about my psychological stress, mental stress have the low labor Actani? I don't know. Some patient doctors in Jitaka, Zassit Pang, the non from Saladi. Commander Katar doctor relation, doctors in the commander Harauna, Tamoy Katar, pain patients in that sort of money.
Yensemba Monica, aged 16, daughter of Wainanao of Chandrakung, Maninglekai, was found dead under mysterious circumstances. In the second incident, a man was found hanging at Kairao Bitra Awangching. The deceased has been identified as Thokchom Ilangton, aged 33 years, son of late Olindro from Kairao Bitra Awanglekai under Irilbung Imphal Station in Imphal East. As part of the security measures taken up by the Imphal East District Police to avoid unwanted incidents ahead of the upcoming Lok Sabha election to be held in 2 phases in April, a combing operation was held at Pure Romba, Nongpok, Inkol Lekai under Porompat Police Station this morning. 223 people were verified in the operation, while 2 people were detained by the Porompat Police Station for further verification. With the increasing trend of making the Holi festival a sports event in the state, instead of merrymaking and feasting, many local clubs are organizing marathon races on the last day of the 5-day festival. Changangai Youth Union Club at Changangai Awanglekai concluded its annual Yausheng Sports Meet was held under the sponsorship of social worker R.K. Rameshwar. R.K. Balaram Sana Memorial Marathon sponsored by R.K. Rameshwar was held. The race was started from Indian Peace Memorial Complex. R.K. Rameshwar said that the sports festival was organized to encourage and motivate the youth in the field of sports rather than spending their time feasting and loitering around.
R.K. Balaram Snagi Mingda Magi Memorial Ningsingba Moina, we cash prize Toraga Quina Mountain Race, see 2014 Dagi Sinjabunang. Tarurak suwena 2019 husi sathari basini ahang namasi sinjari bagi pandam di locality leiba ilakai amdam sida leiba nahasingda yauksangda koina satana masu unnecessary oiba yamna ka henba thabak throm tobgi muta sanabagi ihulama nahasingda piduna sanabagi spirit ama pibiduna Sanaroi ka yokabra kitang mating oibang amzagadra habigi pandamda hangna sumba.
2 people were injured following an acid explosion that occurred during a Thabalchongba program at Thambalkhung under Poropan Police Station in Imphal East last night. A police report said today that the incident happened around 10 p.m. Thabalchongba, a popular Manipuri folk dance, is associated with the festival of Holi, which is celebrated as Yausheng in the state. It is suspected that acid explosives were intentionally brought there by some unidentified miscreants to attack people. Laishram Satish, aged 18 years, and Kennedy Wahengbam, aged 16 years, both from Palace Compound, Imphal. They were taken to Janims Hospital. An FIR has been registered at Porompat Police Station over the incident and investigations are on. With the arrival of the 39th Red Army Uprising Day, the day on which the armed wing of the Banned People's Revolutionary Party of Kanglei Park, Pre-Park Red Army was established. That falls on March 26, Chairman of Military Affairs Committee, Red Army, in a statement has conveyed revolutionary greetings to the people who are bearing the brunt of colonial pains under the colonial rule of India. Revolutionary greetings are being conveyed to the army wings of fellow revolutionary organizations of WESEA, including Kanglei Park, it is said. The statement said the people of this region must not take lightly the Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016, which would lapse on June 3rd this year. The bill is a population or genocide bomb to create a Hindu nation by destroying the traditions, culture and language of the Mongoloid people of the Northeast. The statement claimed, "We offer revolutionary salute to all martyrs who succumbed to the inhuman torture and had sacrificed their lives during fights with the enemy for a free, developed and egalitarian society, to all fellow revolutionaries bearing pains of incarceration and to all those who are leading a disabled life due to the excessive torture meted out of the IOF." The statement added. We'll take a short break now. Stay tuned.
Hello, good morning sir. Welcome to Lamjingba Motors. How may I help you?
Lamjingba Motor na miyam da kana ba piri basing se kari kari no.
Khudong chaba kaya ma pizari. Aikoina phanganjari ba product sing di trucks, tippers, haulage, bus, amasung chainset ne. Documents ichang changdana adomi sale amadi matamang handana loan gi khudong chaba pizari. HDFC Bank, Lamjingba Finance amadi Shriram Finance kasu khutsamna na junction minari. Matik charba khutsu khulai amadi crane yauraba. Aikoi gi sport servicing van adongi damakta matam pumbada leijari. Bus sing yon madanatana school, college, universities, office ki dama contract basis da lawi bagi khudong chaba su thamjari. Amadi genuine lay parts sing su pambigani. Adongi mai pakpana aikoi gi mai pakpana.
Welcome back. A Bharatiya Janata Party MLA's decision not to contest the assembly election on April 11 has cost him a part of his house. Lekha Saya, who represents the Yashuli Assembly constituency, was dropped from the BJP's list of candidates along with other party MLAs, including 3 ministers. Supporters of Lekha allegedly stormed into his house in Nirjuli, about 20 km from state capital Itanagar, vandalized his property and set fire to furniture and other articles on the premises. Superintendent of Police Tume Amos said the incident happened late Sunday night and the police soon brought the situation under control. The people involved in the vandalism broke down pens and burned chairs. The interiors were not damaged and the people inside were safe, he said. Mr. Lekha declined to either comment on the incident or what made him decide not to contest the election. Minister Nabam Rebia, also dropped from the BJP list of candidates, has decided not to contest in Doimukh constituency. A shopping complex and Law Academy owned by Mr. Nabam had been damaged during the February protest against issuing permanent resident certificates PRC to non-tribal communities. The protest led to the death of 3 men in police firing, forcing the Pema Khandu government to drop the PRC issue once and for all. The BJP announced lamjingbatomtv as its candidate for Tura parliamentary constituency. The ruling coalition bearing the BJP is fielding MPPs Agatha Sangma as a common candidate from the Tura seat. Former Chief Minister Mukul Sangma is the Congress candidate. The Supreme Court on Monday pulled up the Tamil Nadu government for not giving a meaningful response to its March 8 order to take steps to stop the destruction of natural environment like mountains, hills and hillocks by covering them in multicolored slogans of parties and their leaders should stop immediately. A bench led by Chief Justice Ranjan Gogoi, Tamil Nadu government has not observed the proper spirit of its order meant to protect natural resources from disfigurement by political parties. The court once again stressed that the state should ensure that no disfigurement of any public place should happen. The order came on the basis of a special leave petition filed by a bench led by a group in defense of environment and animals represented by Advocate Giant G. Rajendran, which sought a judicial order to disqualify electoral candidates who do not remove their political advertisements, flags, posts, etc. with immediate effect from rock faces, mountain hills, etc. Now let's have a look at the top stories once again. Five candidates file nominations for Lok Sabha polls in Manipur. Fallen heroes of Second World War remembered paid floral tributes at Imphal War Cemetery. This is all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur.